If you want to switch to the latest tweets mode on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to see the newest posts in chronological order, whether you want your main feed to feel more up to date or you want to search a topic and view the latest results. This is a super simple change, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to follow breaking news, live events, sports updates, or just see what people are posting right now. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your X account. Once you're signed in, go to the homepage. This is where you'll see your main timeline, and this is also where you can switch between the different feed views. At the top of the feed, you'll notice tabs like For You and Following. To get the latest tweets from accounts you follow, click on the Following tab. This changes your feed into a more recent chronological order, so instead of seeing algorithm recommended posts, you'll see posts from the people you follow in the order they were published. If you've been wondering where the old star icon or switch to latest tweets button went, that's because X removed that older control. Now the platform uses the Following tab instead, which is the new way to view recent posts from accounts you follow. So if your goal is to see the latest updates from people in your network, following is the option you want. Now, if you want the latest posts about a specific topic, there's another easy method. Use the search bar at the top of X and search for the topic, keyword, hashtag, or account you want to explore. After the results load, look for the latest tab in the search results. Click latest and X will show you the newest posts related to that search term. This is especially useful when you want real-time updates on something trending, like a product launch, a news story, or a live event. So to recap, there are really two ways to get the latest tweets on X. If you want the newest posts from people you follow, go to Home and tap Following. If you want the newest posts for a specific search, use the search and choose Latest. That's the modern replacement for the old Latest Tweets view, and it only takes a second once you know where to look. If this walkthrough saved you time, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple X and Twitter tips tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.